Hebert house. Today I have a sit-down video that I'm gonna do. I am about to film a clean with me that should go up next week. But before I do, I wanted to show you some of the new products that I have gathered from the Grove Collaborative since I've filmed a video last. But before I do that, I want to say welcome. Thank you for checking out our channel. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I haven't been filming a lot recently because of my first trimester of pregnancy, but going forward, there will be a lot more videos, and we do videos on things like cleaning, organizing, homeschooling, parenting, pregnancy, decorating, DIY, a little bit of everything. So I'd love for you to check it out. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for the support always. All right, so let's get into the products that I have gotten recently from the Grove Collaborative. If you're not familiar with the Grove Collaborative, it is a website where you can order cleaning supplies, and you can change up your order, or you can do the same order every month. And they just have great all natural products, which is a big must for me. I'm kind of obsessed with my dog, and that's actually why I started using the Grove Collaborative. And that is just so that I knew that all of the cleaning supplies I used in my house would not harm him. But obviously, I'm glad that they don't harm my family either. So I love this website. I will link some of my other hauls down below whenever I do this video, or maybe up in a card. But be sure to check those out too, because they have a lot of great products. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, just as this video is not too long. A lot of the things that I've gotten recently are for cleaning bathrooms. Okay, I hate cleaning bathrooms. Hate it. It's like my least favorite thing ever. I think it's gross. I don't like doing it. It makes me want to gag. On and on and on and on. But you have to do it, because I refuse to hire a cleaning lady, and I'm the mama. So, side note, my husband does help me do it sometimes. Back to it. So I've gotten some new products for the bathroom in the hopes that they help me want to clean my bathroom more, if that makes sense. So I'll show you those, and then I also have some of the new Miss Myers stuff that has come out recently, and so I'll tell you a little bit about that. Why don't we start there? So right after the new year, the Grove sent out an email that said that for the first time in a long time, Miss Myers was going to be putting out a new scent. If you followed my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love Miss Myers, but I also love the lavender scent. It's probably my favorite cleaning scent ever, like ever in the world. And so I tend to not veer very far from it just for my everyday cleaning. I do like to get the seasonal ones, like the winter and spring and stuff like that. But I wanted to try this new scent. And so the new scent that they came out with is mint. See if I can get it to clear up there. It's mint. First of all, marketing person that I was, this label makes me so happy. The colors, the cleanliness, the simpleness of it makes me super excited. Also, this is my color for spring that I have pretty much throughout my whole house. So I can put these by the sink and it doesn't hurt my feelings, if that makes sense, because I think it's just so pretty. So the set that I ordered of the new scent was the trio. So it came with this, which is the dishwashing liquid. It came with this, which is the hand soap. And it came with the multi-surface spray as well. And I don't even know how to describe it. Like, I feel like it's minty, but it's not like knock you over the head minty. It's like a florally mint. It smells so good. And so everybody in my house loves it. And so that's what I got. So I got the trio, but I also got, with the trio for free, a set of these farmhouse towels. They're huge, as you can see. And they're navy and white striped. And these are specific to the Grove, and they were part of pre-ordering the mint scent, which I love them. I love how big they are. So that was the first thing I wanted to show you. The next thing, there's two others that don't have to do with the bathroom, so I'll show you those first. The next one is this Caldrea spray, and this is the Dahlia Red Currant. I learned about all of this, the Grove Collaborative included, on LoveMeg's channel. If you haven't checked her out, you have to. She's wonderful, and I will link her down below. But she loves this stuff, and she actually likes a different one better, but I wanted to try this one. this cleaning product is rather pricey for me. Like, all of them are pricier than if you would get just like regular run-of-the-mill cleaning supplies, but this one is extra pricey. So I went ahead and took the jump in the new year because I really wanted to try it, and I'm so glad I did. It smells so good. Like, it just has like this homey smell that just makes you want to come in and sit down and enjoy life. It's so good. So this is the Caldrea spray, and you can tell I've been using this probably more than anything. So I love it. So that's that. And then the other thing I ordered, and I'm ashamed to say I haven't even used this yet. I'm awful at mopping my floors, y'all. Like, I'll sweep them, but I'm so bad at mopping them, and I'm hoping this will help me do a better job. But this is the Method Squirt and Mop Wood Floor Cleaner, and it is in the almond scent. It's non-toxic, which I love because, like I said about my dog, he licks everything, and so the floor included, and it makes me feel good to know that this is an all-natural product, and so he can. And it's almond scented, and so, I mean, it really does smell like almond extract. It smells so good. I'm kind of sad that it doesn't smell like Pine Sol. I know that's crazy, because that's what my grandma always used, and so I always just think of Pine Sol when I think of like mopping liquid. So I'm kind of sad it doesn't smell like that, but this smells really, really, really good. So I'm gonna use this in the Clean With Me coming up, so check out that. Okay, so the next 3 products are for the bathroom to help me want to clean them more. I've actually showed this product before, but I wanted to talk about it. It's the Method, let's see if you can see that. Method Daily, let's see, you're gonna show it. The Method Daily Shower Cleaner. And this is in the Eucalyptus Mint scent, and that's what I have all of my bathroom stuff by Method in. And I just love how almost sterile it makes the bathroom smell without it being bleachy. But this is actually the second time I've bought this from the Grove, and we just spray it in the shower every day, and it helps me go longer between shower cleanings. My shower is like my mortal enemy. We live in an older home, and it's tile, and it's awful, and it's yellow, and so this helps me not have to clean it as much, which is always good for me. The next thing I got is this Miss Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleanser, and I got this in the Lemon Verbatim scent, and honestly, I don't know why I didn't get in the lavender. I have a couple things in Lemon Verbatim, but it's not my favorite scent, and so I probably just didn't order it right. But this is basically like your soft scrub that you would use on tile or like your counters and things. So this is just a baking soda cream cleanser. Baking soda cream cleanser. It's scratch-free, cleans and polishes. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So, yeah, you can check that out if you're a soft scrub user. I have not used it yet. I just got it in February, so I'm gonna see how it works, and I'll let you know. The other thing that I got is another Miss Meyer's product, and it is the Tub and Tile Cleaner, which I'm super stoked about. I haven't used this either because I just got it in February, but I'm excited because I'm hoping that it's gonna be, you know, like your, what is that one? Oh, like Kaboom or something like that you use in the shower. And this is in the lavender scent that I love. And so I'm hoping that it helps with the shower hatred that I am harboring currently. So that is the other product. So that's all the cleaning supplies I got. And then I got a really exciting email that Miss Meyer's, they already have obviously like hand soap and lotions, but they were coming out with a body line, which makes me so excited. I try to use all natural products on like my skin and my face. A lot of my stuff comes from Arbonne, but I've been having a hard time finding a cleanser that I liked, especially being pregnant, because anything I put on my skin is going straight into the baby's skin and to the baby period. And so I've been trying different products. So I have Arbonne cleanser, but I like to take a shower at night, and the Arbonne cleanser is a little like crisp and like bright scented for the evening. Does that make sense? I hope. But it's like a citrusy smell. So it tends to wake me up. So I definitely use that if I'm like showering in the morning or during the day. But at nighttime, I like to use something that's lavender or mainly lavender to kind of calm me down and get ready for bed. And so I had tried the Honest Company and I did not like the way theirs smelled at all. I didn't like it at all. And I tried a couple others that I didn't like. Well, then I got the email about Miss Myers and I am so stoked because I already love her lavender line of anything. And so, well, I guess before I smell it, let me show you. Miss Myers body wash in lavender. And it is paraben free, triclosan free, MEA, DEA, formaldehyde, artificial colors, all of that free, which is awesome. And it's all natural. I can use it without having to worry about my baby. And then I also got the Miss Myers body lotion. And I have used this and it is amazing. Like it feels so good going on and it stays on for a while. And I love it. It's not overpowering when I get into bed because I don't want to smell like a lavender filled when I'm going to bed or like make my husband smell it. So this is awesome. And then it did come with like one of those poofy shower things, but I left it upstairs. So, which is good because I change those out a lot. So I like getting a new one. So this is the new bathroom line in lavender from Miss Myers that I'm super pumped about because it is, and I just love their lavender scent. And it smells just like the cleaning stuff or the hand soap and all of the stuff that made me fall in love with Miss Myers to begin with. So that is what I've gotten from the Grove Collaborative lately. If you would like to try the Grove Collaborative, down below I'll leave a referral link and you get $10 off your first purchase. And you might want to use it right now because they are about to release their spring scents, which I have pre-ordered and I will show you as soon as they come in. I ordered the peony, but they do have two scents. It's the peony and the lilac, I think was the other one, but I did order the peony and it should be in very soon. So I'm really excited to show you that in my March shipment. And yeah, I would love for you to try it out. Let me know down below if you like it or if you already use it and what your favorite products are. So maybe I can try them later. And that's pretty much it for this. I will tell you, because I have to warn you, because my best friend Cherie called me the other day and was blaming me because she has become addicted to the Grove Collaborative, which I have too. It's just when you enjoy cleaning and you enjoy your house smelling good, which everyone, you know, not everyone does, but I do. It can be addicting just to find things that are all natural for your home, that are healthy for your home, that still make your house feel so good and smell so good. So I hope you like it. Let me know how you like this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and I will be back soon next week with some a clean with me, some Easter videos, and a reveal of our baby name. So make sure you check back next week for new videos too. Y'all have a good day. God bless.